Alright guys, so picked up a couple things at the garage. I'm headed to meet Weston at the barnyard slash storage unit find Miata. We're gonna try to break these wheels loose because we're gonna end up getting it towed either today or tomorrow down to the shop so we can get started on it. So I'm pretty excited. I'll see you when we get there. All right guys, we're here. What's up, buddy?
Hey. Trying to get this thing moving?
Yep, let's get it.
So I have no idea what you shot so far, but I guess we're gonna assess what wheels are locked up and which ones aren't. Try to get this thing towed out of here tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. Alright, wheel number one already spins. I'm gonna guess this one's locked up by the fact there's just a huge skid mark the whole way in here.
Probably not.
No way to find out.
No.
Alright,
She's locked up.
let's take her off.
Well, it's a good thing there's only two on here.
Ooh. I was gonna say, you're tight.
Could have swore I had it on.
It's probably any wheel stud now.
Yeah, it'll be alright.
Oh, that rotor looks good.
And it spins.
Look at the wheel. Wheel's locking up. See that? Oh my god. I got a set of wheels at home. We might have to go run home and get them. That literally might be all we need to do is go get wheels and put it on.
I don't understand what's wrong with it.
Look, do you see the
Scrape? Yeah, what's that from?
These are the sport brakes, I think.
Oh, really? So
So
this
it's-
didn't even, these wheels don't even fit.
No, but I got a set of wheels at home for you.
was just pulling a fast one on.
No, I don't know what he was doing. Probably in a roundabout way, but whatever. The 14s don't fit, but they don't fit because it has the nice brakes on it. Like,
Yeah, well that's cool. It has a nice brake set.
yeah.
What's the bolt pattern? 4 by what?
4x100.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Honda Civic Colt pattern. So everyone is like giving us shit that this car is so torn apart. All it really needs is headlights, a bumper, a hood, fenders, doors, seats, a cluster, the steering wheel bolted up, a trunk, taillights, and a bumper, which I guess is a lot of shit, but
But when you think about it, it's not.
It's not that bad. It's not that bad, and I have the airbag covers, or the airbags, I have the cluster, I have the seats, I have the top, I have the doors. So I have a lot of stuff in my house, so it shouldn't be that bad. But I guess you want to go run and get those wheels, and we'll just bolt them on. That's so easy. I thought we were gonna be like hammering away at this and stuff. All we're literally gonna do is put the right side's wheels on it, and it'll just spin. The back's clear. No, the backs are pressed in too. That's crazy. Yeah, let's just go grab wheels. These seats have probably seen better days. So here's my white trash Miata stash. We got the doors, we have the hood, we have seats.
Those are nice seats.
Yeah. They could use a little love. I've been sitting outside. There's Miata rad, but it's a little beat up. There's a whole dashboard. There's a bunch more center console panels and stuff up there. So, like I said, there's like 3/4 of what we need right here.
Not bad.
And then the piece of resistance.
Yeah, those are decent wheels. Those are nice.
Yeah, and they're 15s, so they should clear sport brakes. These are sport wheels, I think. So like, this is the exact wheel that would came on that car from the factory.
Nice.
So got the wheels in the back. If anyone was wondering about this boost gauge, because people love it for some reason. Wonderful boost gauge, but don't be a cheap ass like me and not buy the boost tap, or your hose will always fall off no matter what, and it'll just read 0 PSI. So there's that. And then Ryan here dropped his vape tip into the crack.
No.
Probably me pulling pulling the seats out of this car now to get that out. But we're gonna go ahead and get back. We're like 2 minutes away, and we're gonna throw these wheels on real quick. Call the tow truck driver, and we're getting the car towed tomorrow. So probably just gonna run this in one big video of us getting it to the shop. And all right, I guess we'll see when we get the wheels on. Hell yeah, brother! 4-wheeling in the GTI.
Jesus Christ. Do your mirror behind you.
Oh yeah, dirt road. Oh, we got a puddle.
Oh shit.
Oh. Oh, there's dust everywhere. Oh, my car's probably so dirty.
Yeah, it needs a cleaning anyway.
Oh, like a car wash. So I got the wheels on. That wheel has one lug nut, or the left rear wheel has one lug nut. This one has two. That one has two, and that one has two. So gotta pick up some lug nuts, I guess. You want to do the test? See if she rolls. Push it. Is it in gear? Might be in gear.
Is it?
It's out of gear.
Yeah,
There we go.
you should probably push it
forward. Yeah, it's good enough though. Like it can get towed.
Yeah.
It's not perfect, but it'll do. Hell yeah, man! How long do you think till we get this together? A week? A month?
A year?
A year? 10 years? Be doing nasty drifts up at Pit Race. Be
It'll be fun.
This thing is just like, oh god, so much little stuff. I'm telling you.
Yeah, but once it gets seats and everything in there, it's gonna start looking complete.
Yeah. So I guess I'll let you record tomorrow, getting it picked up from the tow truck, and I'll see you back at the shop, and we'll have it at the shop tomorrow afternoon. That's the plan.
Yep.
All right, we'll see you guys in tomorrow, which is 2 seconds for you.
Welcome to the Miata Chronicles with Weston and Ryan.
So we got the Miata here. It took what? We were supposed to get it here Saturday, and now it's Sunday, and we got what is it? It's Monday.
Dude.
It's Monday. We got it here Monday, and now Ryan doesn't believe it's not going to start. So we're pulling the spark plugs out. He just broke the spark plug. So we're gonna pull the plugs out, throw some oil in it, and then we're gonna try and start it as is. After a brief run to the parts store, we got spark plugs. That was easy.
Came right out, and then we got some new ones.
Yeah, it probably needs them.
That's why I bought 4, yeah.
The last time this thing was inspected, August 15 in Virginia.
How lenient are they?
Life hack, if a car's been sitting for a long time, I'm gonna pour way too much in here. You wanna pour it in?
You want to get the funnel first, so they don't make a.
I just wanna put like 2 drops in. That's good. Next one. Do all of them.
They still have the plugs in them.
Oh,
We have to
yeah.
take them out.
Nope, we still gotta take those 2 plugs out. But we're gonna have to go ahead and fill it all just to help reseal the rings because they're probably rusty from sitting for so long. Focus. It's probably a good thing we're changing these anyway. They look haggard. The haggard battery right now. We got a jump pack on this just to do it. Just turn that on. Spray Ryan in the face. Wait, leave the plugs out. Oh, you already put them in, didn't you?
I didn't know you were doing something fun.
Yeah, I just want to crank them over. It's gonna blow oil everywhere. It'll hydro lock with that oil in there. All right, hold that. Watch all the crap that's about to pull out of here.
We can't even turn those off, can we?
There we go.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Now it's coming out.
That's good because that means it went all on the cylinders. Worked its way down the sleeves. Now let's put the plugs in until I start it. No, I gotta turn it on. All right, here we go. It's the maiden start.
And all these are empty.
All right, let's try it. I don't know if it's gonna start. I'm hyped to get this thing started, and you're like over here in the cell phone land.
We got fire. Alright, you ready?
Let's do this. No spark. All right, so we're gonna try a compression test. I know the numbers are probably gonna be super low because this thing hasn't run in so long and it's gonna scare the fuck out of you. But go ahead. Okay. So we got like 110 on it? I don't know.
That's not too bad.
It's not bad, let's put it that way. For it not running, it's not bad. All right, and number 2, go ahead. That was like 90, but it was still bumping up. Number 3. All right, same as cylinder 1.
110.
Yeah. All right, number 4, go ahead. All right. Ooh, number 4.
170.
125, 130.
Okay.
So we got compression.
And
we just
doesn't sound too bad.
We just don't have spark, and we probably have bad fuel. So I don't know. We'll
There's
call.
a gas station right behind us.
Yeah, literally shot in the background gas station.
Not sponsored by Exxon.
Hashtag not sponsored.
Hashtag not sponsored.
So shout out to my awesome girlfriend. I forgot to mention anything, and we kind of left last night and didn't record anything. We tried to get it started. Don't have spark, so that's why I won't start. I'm gonna look and see what has spark. I'm not gonna record it because nobody wants to watch me chase down wiring issues for hours and hours. So once we get it started, I'll figure out what it was and I'll tell you guys probably in the next video. So we just scrubbed the interior with just like Walmart interior cleaner and vacuumed it, and it is looking minty fresh. We kind of ran out of interior cleaner, but this side is done and it all should come out. And this is like a kind of before right here, and or this is a before and this is an after. So the interior got a lot cleaner, in case no one thought that. And yeah, I guess we're gonna figure out why it's not starting and we'll get back to you. Also, we now have my Miata, his Miata, and Eric's Miata all in the shop. It's Miata shop now. Yeah, on a side note, it'd be way easier to do a roll bar right now. This is already taken off and we're already there. We could do it.
Just need $800 for a roll bar.
Yeah. But that's my hat, and peace out, and we will see you when we get this thing started in the next episode, I guess. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.